Hakash Potre Ulaber Arhajar Arpusan ki MLA ki beranang liang persya bat liang sensar ki Ïashimbynta ha jingïatai lor ka mang tyngka jong jylla. Daga bapen pau ki jing sokya ba kumjo ban ha jing mut ke sarkar ban phai khamat ban bha tyngka ki liang ba pher ben gintiu ya ka yo gokot bat ki kampun roy jong jylla. Menteri rang ba jylla konrad kongkal sangma ha bajuba ba kiang dorbar ulapen pau ba jing kiu syafrang jong jylla ka dai kebel pentunan chakmat dagi jing dan jing em ke jylla bat ke jing shimram. Ulongru bagajing shimram basan posnam hapok special assistance to state on capital investment but ke externally aided project ki jan longkom kepisa kebayo ulong bagajing sutuk bakla baro bagajing ke syafrang jong jylla ka ding belatelun nagaram bagi pat ba ke jylla ken hak ban siu biang karam ka ding babakla hadu kata-kata. Ula pencai bagabha ni khajna ke sarkar pedeng ke dekat kum ki kendon kariti sensyari balabo de kariti terekam jong ke sarkar pedeng ban bha kini khajna ban ai ke jylla Meghalaya bat siwei pat ke jylla bat ban ong bakani ke dekat pisa ke sarkar pedeng ke de kebayat persya ke jing thu jong kariti sensyari ha ke bakani ke khajna la bha bat ai ke jylla kat kum ke jing khan ke belawan ra ke finance commission bat kani ke dei ke pisa ke jongi ulong kamde bagi sarkar pedeng kale bhai ni da ka baai kene kepisa nrei kade ka hok jongi ulong bat kene kade ka jing dan jing jong ka jylla.
So through my reply I will try to focus on two main themes. First theme, sir, of course, is the larger purpose driven and thematic driven development program and implementation rather than scheme-based implementation. And number two, sir, I would focus on the employment generation through the different activities that we have. Sir, in this first slide, if you look at this, the $10 billion economy. And of course, due to the lack of details, we always end up looking at this $10 billion. And that's really what the purpose also is, that there should be one target that drives our entire purpose, but there are multiple aspects connected to that one particular goal that we are trying to achieve. And in this $10 billion, so let me just put things in perspective, that when we started this target, at that point in time, the $10 billion economy was at 85,000 crores, which we came out by multiplying the then GSDP of the state at 44,000 crores. And we said that we will aspire, or 42,000 crores roughly, we will aspire to double it. And that is how our 85,000 crores, which is a $10 billion came in. So if you look at this chart, I think this is one of the most important charts to look at. And what we're trying to connect, sir, that while we talk of $10 billion, it is not just a number. It is not just about the money of this $10 billion and the GSDP growing to it. There is a very large purpose behind this $10 billion. And it is linked to the 10 opportunities that we perceive and the 10 commitments that we would like to make. On top, the 10 points that are there are the 10 opportunities. By that we mean the areas which we feel that government should invest so that opportunities come out. And the 10 below are the commitments in terms of what is it that we want to deliver. And these guiding principles of 10 opportunities and 10 commitments is what makes this budget and this entire Vision 10 document complete. So while we look at $10 billion, which is 85,000 crores at that point in time, it comes along with 10 investments, 10 opportunities and 10 commitments. And without going detail into all of that, I'll just mention one or two. As I said, sir, in terms of opportunities, we feel there's a huge opportunity when it comes to private sector investment. And so we have made programs, policies based on that opportunity. We feel there's a huge opportunity in entrepreneurship and skilling. And therefore, the programs that you saw in the budget was linked to the entrepreneurship and skilling and the activities we've been doing in the past is again linked to this. Similarly, the urban transformation. We strongly feel that Shillong is ready for urban transformation, new Shillong Township, which is an opportunity which will unlock large amount of further opportunities for the state and for the people. So on and so forth, there are these 10 areas of opportunities that we feel that we should be looking at. And these 10 commitments that while we try to fulfill or work towards the opportunities, we will work towards the 10 commitments that we have made, which is, again, simple things like the overall road connectivity, where a lot of members have mentioned that large number of villages are not connected. We're going to work towards this improved connectivity. We're going to work towards ensuring that housing is given to all. And that is what has driven the PMAY houses in the last 1 year. And we were able to achieve 130,000. And this year again, we are targeting another 1 lakh houses. Similarly, affordable health care for all, reliable and quality water power. So these are commitments that we are making because the growth story of the $10 billion economy will be worked along with the 10 commitments that we make. And this is something, sir, I wish to share with the House so that everybody feels involved with the entire target of achieving the $10 billion economy.